What if the real competitive edge in business isn't a new product, but how flawlessly your processes run? Process excellence, or PEX, is where competitive advantage is forged, not in randomness, but in relentless precision. In the race to stay ahead, process excellence zeroes in on designing, managing, and improving every workflow. Imagine cutting wasted time and cost, all while boosting performance. That's the power of processes built for both efficiency and continuous innovation. Leaders don't leave this to chance. They turn to powerful tools like advanced business process management systems, sophisticated process mapping software, and agile workflow automation platforms. These are the engines that bring clarity to the chaos, revealing bottlenecks and sparking breakthroughs. But tools alone are just the beginning. True excellence demands modern methodologies, total quality management, business process reengineering, frameworks built to challenge old assumptions and deliver radical change. Add root cause analysis, rigorous process audits, and the constant pulse of key performance indicators, and you've got a system that doesn't just survive change, but thrives on it. Ask yourself, are your business processes just good enough? Or are they setting the standard the competition has to chase? Process excellence isn't a box to check. It's the discipline that unlocks innovation, drives relentless improvement, and aligns every action with your boldest business goals. Don't settle for ordinary. Make every process extraordinary, because process excellence is where true business transformation begins.